Hey everybody, let's understand the fish bucket. Fish bucket is a special index used to track which files or which parts of the files have already been indexed. If something has not indexed, then the file will be indexed as new. This is very helpful for not duplicate data. Now, if you see, we have special Splunk default indexes like audit, main, introspection, internal, right? So if you remember, where a file system stores monitor, same file system uses to monitor of the fish bucket. To check whether Splunk already indexed a file or not, this will basically check that Fishbucket doesn't contain monitor files themselves. It contains seek pointers, CRC. Now, suppose if you set up a directory monitor in a Windows machine, you want to monitor logs file. We all know we have a different kind of logs files when it comes to Splunk, because you have application that puts logs into that directly. Okay, these logs can be created in a multiple ways, in multiple formats. For example, in the index, let's say you have a heavy amount of data which contains a number of logs in that category. In that situation, what you can do is you can create more number of logs as the index shows. Now these logs can be called different names. You have a log 1, log 2, log 3, log 4, and so on. As you can see here, log 1 and log 2, log 3. Similarly, you can create n number of logs as the indexer shows. Now, if you try and understand, we already know there are different ways of buckets in Splunk. You can refer my previous video to check the complete understanding about buckets in Splunk. Okay, I had already updated the video. Similarly, you have a fish bucket process also. Okay, when the data from the fish bucket will be going to different phases, different stages, data will be going to different indexes. So, but what happens here is when you send that particular data, it will be segregating like this. If you see a fish bucket and you have from there the data search or CRC value, it will be taken, it will take the value and then evaluate that particular file from the CRC file. If the CRC file exists, then the examine the seek pointer. If it is not exists, I mean CRC file value, if that not exists, index will be as new and it is going to end. If it is there, you're going to determine where to begin indexing, and then the pointing is going to end here as well. So this is the typical understanding about a fish bucket. Thank you for watching.